Hello, my name is Julia, and this is Space Daily News Channel. Jeff Bezos allowed a peek inside into Blue Origin's factory to see the latest New Glenn rocket, which the company has been working on developing for more than 10 years. The billionaire gave YouTuber Tim Dodd a tour of the company's production facility in Cape Canaveral, Florida. The New Glenn rocket is expected to be 98 meters tall and will be the second tallest rocket currently under development after the Starship Super Heavy. The rocket, whose first launch is expected later this year, is the partially reusable heavy-lift launch vehicle capable of carrying up to 45 tons of payload into low Earth orbit. By comparison, SpaceX's existing Falcon Heavy launch vehicle can carry nearly 30 tons to low Earth orbit in a partially reusable version. During the tour, Bezos demonstrated New Glenn's 7-meter diameter first-stage fuel tanks. The tanks are made using an iso-grid design, which is particularly effective for multi-directional loading. The rocket's first stage will be powered by 7 BE-4 engines, powerful engines fueled by liquid oxygen and liquid fuel natural gas. New Glenn is a two-stage rocket. After launch, the first stage is expected to separate from the second stage and make an autonomous landing for later reuse. At that time, the rocket's second stage, powered by two BE-3U hydrogen-oxygen engines, is supposed to deliver a payload into space. Jeff Bezos states that the first stage of the rocket will be able to be reused in 16 days, and the multiplicity of use of the first stage will reach at least 25 times. Also, the head of Blue Origin said that the company's engineers have developed a reusable thermal protection system, which will not need to be revoked after the flight of the rocket. At the Bezos factory is already ready the base of the rocket, with 6 landing supports, which will have to open in 6 seconds before landing. They were developed using the same technology as the New Shepard rocket. In addition, Jeff Bezos showed half of the head fairing. Bezos is not the first billionaire to give Tim Dodd a tour of his factory. The YouTuber has also interviewed Elon Musk in multiple occasions and recently visited SpaceX's new factory.